Hello, my friends, and good day. I'm here again, and talking about Ukraine war. As you know, today Ukraine uh, taking taking its advantages because Trump, President Trump, was already taking side in Ukraine, and and the news lately, Trump will give more long-range weapons, maybe particularly the Tomahawk. Yung Tomahawk, yung ginagamit sa Iraq War, yun ang nagpatalo sa Iraq. Very long range yun. The carrier, mostly the destroyer, and it will be probably in the ocean, and it will take off in the ocean, and get the target inside Iraq, those days. But for Ukraine today, I don't know what Ukraine used for staging or how to use that to target the Russian camp. Hindi ko alam kung anong saan nila ilalagay, kasi yung Tomahawk medyo malaki yan. Kailangan talaga yung destroyer o mga malaking barko. Pero siguro merong aircraft na carry ng Tomahawk missile. Tingnan natin sa internet. Okay, excuse, tingnan natin sa internet. Kasi sa barko lang palagi at sa submarine yung magdala ng Tomahawk. No, there's none. Aircraft cannot carry Tomahawk because it's too big. It has 1,000 miles targets. It can travel up to 1,000 miles to 2,500 kilometers 1,550 miles. And Tomahawks can only use launches from ships, submarines, and ground launchers. Yes, yan lang makakaya nga may launch yung Tomahawk. But malaking advantage to 1,550 miles, 2,500 kilometers, can get inside to Moscow. And yes, and hopefully President Trump will sign those deals and use it for the combat. It can use to destroy surface-to-air missile, and can target also a command center, a control center, electrical power facilities, fuel facilities, and many other. Yes, although Tomahawk missiles can have 15,000 miles range, but as all we know that US, if Ukraine was given a chance, US also control which range to be given. They will given just only for 2,500 kilometers as usual. Before President Biden gave Ukraine long-range missile, but it will only ranges 200. I think it's the they call that missiles. ATACMS, I think ATACMS and HIMARS. Yes, ATACMS and HIMARS. Can also launch in the ground with high mobility artillery rocket systems. ATACMS and HIMARS were the one used and was thought to be a game changer in Ukraine war, but it was limited distance, striking distance, because of US don't allow it to get inside to Moscow. That's why it has a limited. And good things happen when Ukraine already have invented now the another missiles, the Flamingo missiles. Yes, the Flamingo missiles. It's a very long range missile and was used already, and maybe that's some burning fuel factory was done by that Flamingo missiles. I think maybe some inventor, some the makers of ATACMS or long-range missiles from US. Maybe they borrow that people there and make some long-range missile and just change the name and the design. And Russia cannot thank you.